Hi, today I'm going to talk about the difference between for and since. Let's see the examples. Example number 1. Sarah has learned English for 3 years or since 3 years. Example number 2. I haven't seen Saif for last year or since last year. You have to think. Let's go to number 1. Sarah has learned English. What is the answer? The correct answer? Yes, good. For 3 years. But why? For is used when you talk about period of time. 3 years is a period of time. 3 years, 2 minutes, 3 hours, 4 weeks, this is period of time. Number 2. I haven't seen Saif for last year or since last year. You have to think. Good. The answer is since last year. But why? Because since is used when we talk about exact time. Last year, exact time. Last year, Monday, Sunday, March, April, 1990, 2020. This is called exact time. Number 3. We have lived in Dubai since 2014 or for 2014. Which one is correct? Good. It's since 2014. This is exact time. Number 4. We have studied science since 2 hours or for 2 hours. Okay. It's for 2 hours. Period of time. Period of time, for. Exact time, since. Let's have more examples. Jessica has studied for 2 hours or since 2 hours. Good. It's for 2 hours. 2 hours, period of time. Jessica has studied for 5 p.m. or since 5 p.m. Okay? The correct answer will be since 5 p.m. This is exact time. Number 3. John has been eating for 10 minutes or since 10 minutes. Okay? Correct. The answer will be for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is period of time. Last example. John has been eating for 3 p.m. or since 3 p.m. Correct answer is since 3 p.m. This is exact time. Let's say again. 3 years period of time. 4. Last year exact time. Since 2014 exact time. Since 2 hours period of time. 4. 2 hours period of time. 4. 5 p.m. exact time. Since 10 minutes period of time. 4. 3 p.m. exact time. Since. When you have exact time, use since. When you have a period of time, use for. Thank you very much. Bye.